What's up, VendingNation? Guys, I'm about to blow your freaking mind.
That's right. That's right.
So, a lot of individuals, what they will do when they see a lock that is really messed up or they can't get their key into for their candy or gumball machine, will drill them out. They'll just take a big old drill and drill them all out, and then they'll go buy another $15 to $25 lock. But I have a solution for you that's gonna save you a crap ton of money. Now, granted, this won't work on every single type of vending machine lock, I will say that now, but it will work for the majority of barrel locks and just like normal cabinet locks. Do you know what I mean? Like the ones that just like turn this way instead of like unscrewing them. Yeah, anyway. So I have this video that I shot for GMW, aka gumball-machine.com. If you want to check out that website, the link is in the description. It's where I buy all my gumball machines. It's honestly the best place to get gumball machines or candy machines. And no, that's not just because I helped build the website, but it's because I have worked really, really hard to get the price point down to what is affordable for you guys. So instead of buying used machines, you can now buy brand new machines for about the same price. So make sure you go check that out. But I'm going to show you this video on how to fix a broken lock without having to drill into it. If you can tell, the inside part of the lock is moved facing that way, and then the top of the lock hole is over here. So the key, it doesn't go in. Now a lot of people will go ahead and drill this lock out, but I have a secret that I want to teach you. So typically when you get any machine, they'll send you with 2 keys, correct? So I took one of those keys, and if you can tell, this key has the knob up top, and then it has a knob on the inside as well, which is supposed to fit in snugly. But I took a normal key and I grinded off the top by using a file or just taking it to some concrete so that I could stick it in here, and I can move, push it down, and I can move it to where that lines up. Oh, I gotta do it a little bit more. There we go. So now it's lined up. So now the key, the normal key with the knob on top and inside of it, should fit snugly. And there we go. That is how you fix a broken lock without drilling it out. Right? It's freaking awesome! I get so excited about this. I'm super sorry that I've let you guys go for 2 years without knowing that little piece of knowledge. So guys, I hope that really helped. If you want to learn how to grow your vending machine business, make sure you go to vendingnation.net/join so you can come join my inner circle. We do lives Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I take your goal of what you want in life and I break it down into smaller ones, and then I help you accomplish those so that you can grow your vending business faster and better than anybody in the game. Alright guys, I want you to build your vending empire, share with the Vending Nation, have fun freaking doing it, and I will see you guys next time I make another video. Peace.